Hello everyone, I am Veera Fatma, and today for all the kids out there, I have brought a short, simple and precise informative video about COVID-19 along with the ideas what the kids can do being at home. Here you go. First of all, you have to be strong and confident that you have to fight with the virus and don't be scared. So fight, not fright. So let's start with some serious note. First of all, we have to know that what is COVID-19. According to experts, COVID-19 is a new type of virus that had previously not been identified in humans. It first emerged in Wuhan, China in December 2019 and has since been declared as an outbreak by World Health Organization (WHO). But don't get so worried, in very rare cases the disease could be fatal. Older people or patients who already have diseases such as diabetes or heart problems may be vulnerable to becoming severely ill because of this virus. Now, the next question arises, what are the symptoms of coronavirus, COVID-19? So, people may experience cough, fever, tiredness, difficulty breathing, means difficulty in breathing. So if some of these symptoms are appeared or even not, we should take some precautions. Wash your hand frequently for at least 20 seconds. Cover your mouth and nose with tissue paper or handkerchief while sneezing and coughing. Bend your elbow while sneezing. Always wear mask if going outside. Avoid touching your nose, your face and your eyes. To maintain social distance is a very effective precautions we can take during this outbreak. So always maintain 1 to 3 meter distance among yourself. If you notice your condition is getting worse, so please call the doctor. Oh, really? We have discussed very serious things and matters. So come on, let's share some ideas. What can you do at home and don't feel bored? Oh, my kiddos, you can write something, right? You can write some poems, you can write stories, you can write your daily routine. Even you can write some information about something you like. Or you can write your experience of being at home during this time. So just go, run, write and write, okay? You can read some good books, some informative book. You can read newspaper even. You can read magazines. You can read recipe books as well. Work out. It's time to do exercise. You can have some fun while doing workout, while doing some exercise with your family members, with your siblings. It's not a good idea, but you can help your mom in household in doing some cleaning, some washing, some cooking. You may enjoy some indoor games like Ludo, like cards, like Scrabble, some vocabulary games. Previously I have shared a vocabulary game activity. So you may enjoy and have fun while playing some indoor games. Important and above of all, during this isolation days, during this tough time, don't forget the needy one and keep doing charity. And the last but not least, take care of yourself, stay home, stay healthy, and remember, don't go outside. So it's time to say goodbye. I hope you have enjoyed my video, and very soon I will be there again with some new video, with some new message. So up till now, goodbye, love you all.